Sean is over here. Hey there, don't you know, yellow? Good to see you, man. Good. But right now, if you'd like to join in for the little bit of a breathing practice that we're doing today, come into a wonderful sit. And it's very, very easy. Just start to breathe in through your nose. You can close your eyes if you wish. You can have them open. You release your arms wherever they feel comfortable. Sit up tall. Start to breathe in through your nose. And at any point, this following breathing practice would become suffocating to you. Come out of it. Come back to your natural breath. Otherwise, you can either make it a little bit stronger, or you can really release a little bit and just be intensifying. Good. Take one more deep inhale together with me through the nose. Your belly into your chest. And release. The breathing practices that I teach here are very calming. And then breathe in through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale again. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale again and continue on your own. You can count up to 8, to 12, to 16, to whatever number feels comfortable to you. So you can either push yourself a little, or you can really be relaxed. So if it's soon nighttime for you, go a little bit more relaxed. Good. I will join in right now as well, and we're going for a round of 3 minutes. And slowly release your breath. The next time when you're taking a inhale, then release your breath. Come back to your natural breath. Come back to your natural breath. Oh, I see we got a little handstand redeemed there. I will do that for you, even though I'm a little sick. It's alright. And right now, feel how you're feeling as we're coming out of it again. Feel how you're feeling. Feel if this breathing practice that we just did together did anything good or did feel good to you. And know that the goal of breathing practice, at least the ones that I teach, are to calm your nervous system. That's the goal of the breathing practice, calming your nervous system. So maybe you feel that right now in your body. I always feel it, that after I'm finished, the way I speak changed. And then the way that I speak changed. And I like that, how it changed. How do you feel? How do you feel right now? And of course, calming and lovely. I definitely know that you knew I think you know the square breathing practice, right, Holly? So, I usually teach here the box breathing. So, the square breathing, that's at least from my perspective, it's the same. That's the one that I just taught. Then I teach Nadi Shodhana. And I teach the one that I sometimes forget, as you see. It's called Darth Vader breathing by the Twitch community. Sometimes forget it. I do, but your voice is fantastic. My voice is fantastic because I'm sick. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Appreciate that. Thanks so much. Much love back to you, Holly. Appreciate it. Right now, we are going to quickly do a little handstand on the door, just quickly. But as it was redeemed by Doni Doniane, appreciate that. And other than that, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask right now. And otherwise, we are going to raid somebody very, very soon. Yesterday, we raided Hekate Yoga. Right now, you're in here. I appreciate that. You know, we're doing really, really small yoga lessons, as I already told, because I really would love to teach longer yoga lessons. I'm looking forward when I'm healthy again. But right now, I need to just take care of myself. Hi, Swiss. Good to see you. So let's do a quick handstand as it was redeemed by Donny Doniala. How are you doing, Swiss? Good to see you, my friend. Check out also Swiss. Oh, I forgot. Sometimes check out also Swiss. He does a lot of wonderful walking through cities. We have done that together already. Yeah. He's a good friend, so check him out. Drop him a follow if you like. And maybe you will see me on his stream at one point. But right now, we're just doing a little handstand. Quick and easy. Of course, you can just watch. This is just for demonstration. Of course, if you know how to do a handstand, please feel free to join in. Thank you. Thank you. Dear friends, thank you. Everybody who's tuned in. Please take very good care of yourself. Appreciate that. And Doniale, appreciate you coming in, asking for the handstand. You know, a little bit of movement is probably good. I already was in the forest, chilling there a little, you know,